Okay, everybody, we are going to continue our transformations unit, talking specifically today about reflections and lines of symmetry. Okay, so we have this reflection represented in the picture here for number 1, and the first thing it wants us to look at is segment AB. What does that correspond to after the reflection? Well, A is going to correspond to Y, and B is going to correspond to Z. So that leaves us with segment YZ. Okay, going to the right, what segment in the pre-image corresponds to segment ZW in the image? Well, that would be segment BC. Okay, next one. Angle C after the reflection, what does that correspond to? Would be angle W. Okay, and then what angle is going to correspond to angle ZWX? Well, that would be angle BCD. Okay. Angle ABC, that's going to correspond to angle YZW. And then the next one, what angle is going to correspond to angle X? Well, that would be angle D. Okay, two more. ABCD. Okay, ABCD. What is that going to line up with in the image? That would be YZWX. And then how about what's going to correspond to WZYX? Well, that would be CBAD. Okay. Example number 2. Use the diagram to name the image of triangle 1 after the reflection. So the first one says, okay, if I take image 1, if I take triangle 1 and I reflect that in the x-axis, so we have to keep our x and y axes straight here. This is our x-axis, this is our y-axis. So if we take triangle 1 and we reflect that in the x-axis, that would put us at triangle 3. Okay, second one, if we go back to the original triangle, so go back to triangle 1 and reflect that in the y-axis this time, that would leave us with triangle 4. Okay, and then lastly, we are going to do a reflection in the y-axis first. So go back to triangle 1 and reflect that in the y-axis, so that puts us at 4. And then follow that with a reflection in the x-axis, so then ultimately that is going to put us at triangle 2. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Good job.